Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please consider joining my YouTube family and press that red button down below that says subscribe. And you may also press that notification bell next to it so that you're notified when I put new content out on Sundays and Thursdays every week regarding luxe life and anything girly. So guys, if you have been watching my YouTube channel for a little bit, you know that I absolutely love small leather goods, SLGs. So I think I'm done. Okay, I should be done. So I snagged something small from Louis Vuitton that is quite hard to find for most people. I think for myself it is hard to find as well, but I've just been more patient and understanding that when I look at the website, it's not going to always be there. So I was perusing this week and I found it on the website. So let's unbox her real quick. Comes in this Louis Vuitton box. This is how they come. I opened it up just so my address is not showing. And all right, so it comes. There it is. So let's hold her up. And my receipt. So let me dump this to the side. There is my receipt. This will include a gift receipt and an address label to ship it back if I want to. But here it is. I don't see a Louis Vuitton ribbon on it, so let's go ahead and unbox. Oh, never mind. There it is. Oh, and the little card is there as well. So, as you guys know, this one is a small leather good. And I will explain why I got this one when we unbox her. Oh, there we go. I can already hear it jingling. There it is. Oh my God. So pretty. It goes with my outfit. So I got the Damier Damier Azure version of the Louis Vuitton key pouch. So as you guys know, I have the monogram version. The reason I got another one, so I'm not going to complete the trifecta. I'm not going to get the Damier Ebene version because I don't need 3. But I do like to keep 2 of my most favorite SLGs because if something breaks, I can send it out to the store, or if it's really like destroyed, I have another one. These items, I really, I don't like to pay for them over retail, and I certainly don't want to pay for another price increase, even though these are not so terrible. So the reason why I got the Damier Azure is that I don't have an Azure in my collection anymore. I used to have the Louis Vuitton Favorite MM, and I really wasn't a fan of the opening of that bag, so I ended up selling it. So this one has the textile cards there, and then this one, I'm sure you guys have seen these before, but let's see. So this one I'm assuming is made in USA because it just says Louis Vuitton Paris. It doesn't say made in France. And let's inspect. Guys, is that wonky to you? Like, would that bother you over there? Let me know down below. I don't know if it really bothers me. I mean, it's a key pouch, but it's kind of, it's there. Let me hold it up against this guy. I mean, this guy is pretty even. So, yeah, that one's a little wonky on that side. Will you keep this? Let me know. So, like I said, they're hard to find. And I don't want to get stuck in another increase. The clasp is pretty, it's still very shiny. This is SD 4240, which means it's made in USA on the 44th week of 2020. As far as the zipper, it's pretty smooth. I have no complaints. And you guys know that to open this little guy, you have to pull this bar down and out, okay? So let's do that again. To open the lobster clasp, you have to pull down and out. I like to hold it backwards like this. You can also do it this way, but it's really what your hand likes. I love the shiny gold hardware on this one. I just absolutely love this little piece. As far as between the two, I will use them interchangeably because I do like to keep them looking more newer. I will keep these two forever. I won't be, like I said, I won't be completing the trifecta. So I have 2 Louis Vuitton key pouches, I have 2 Louis Vuitton mini pochettes, and then I have 2 Louis Vuitton 6 key ring holders because those are my essentials that go inside my bag. So I don't plan to purchase those anymore. I don't plan to, and I don't want to pay for another price increase. So I figured once I found them on the website, I just basically stocked up and kept them. Also, I like to have, you know, to see them in my collection. So as you guys know, I am a big fan of the Louis Vuitton SLGs, not only because they're very durable because of the canvas, but also they're more on the affordable side. They do last forever unless you really try to destroy them, which I won't. So guys, what do you think about these SLGs? Do you absolutely love the key pouches? Is this something that you try to complete the trifecta? Is this something that you only get one and then you're done? So let me know down in the comments. And with this, so on this side, it doesn't look as bad. I don't think it's very even. And then let me know if I'm crazy or you're seeing it too. Right there. So it's got like a little curvature here, and then it comes out over here, but then like you can see that it's thicker on this side. So then this one still has that curvature there. I don't think I'm going to return it, honestly, because that's not going to really bother me. I think I'm just being nitpicky because I'm reviewing it. But otherwise, I'm going to keep this one. But if it was you, would you return it? Would you settle? Let me know down in the comments because you guys know how hard these are to come by. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you for joining me. You know I love these little SLGs. As usual, guys, thank you for everything. Thank you, and have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Mm-hmm.